All right, it's Jordan here, and I'm gonna show you how to get started planting your very own mini pet grass kit. All right, let's get started. So you can either start with the one that comes with 3 complete kits or just one. We're just gonna use the one for now. And when you open it up, you'll see that you get your very own grow tray, the soil that you'll use, it's dehydrated at the moment, and your wheat seed. First thing we're gonna wanna do is hydrate this sucker right here. Now, if you don't have a bottom tray, you can use a plate, but I luckily have a bottom tray right here. So you just place your puck in the bottom there, and then we're just gonna pour water over it very slowly, and we'll watch it grow. And you just pour it over really slowly. Agitate it a little bit. And there you have it. We have our soil hydrated, and now we're just gonna apply the seed. You can choose to soak this in a cup or a bowl for up to 4 hours, but as long as we hydrate it enough, it'll grow just fine. Wheat is a very tenacious seed. And just go ahead and sprinkle it over the top. You can use the whole package or just a part of it if you want to extend, or if you want to have 2 batches of wheatgrass for your cat or your dog or even your bunnies like this. Okay, and you want to seed it about like that. And you can use a spray bottle, but I'm going to use my little squirter right here and just soak it down. Now what we're going to want to do is cover it. You can choose to put some wet paper towels over it if you want. But I think it's fine. I'm going to check on it daily, but I'm just going to cover it with this little covering I have. If you don't have something like this, you can use a plate, you can use a piece of cardboard, and you'll just want to check on it once a day and make sure it's just moist to the touch. If it's not, give it a spray or a squirt, and it'll take about a total of 6 to 7 days, so we'll see you then. All right, so here's the result of our pet grass kit. I uncovered it after 3 days and then put it under lights for another 4. So here we are at the 7th day, and it is pretty perfect, if I don't say so myself. Any dog or cat or even rabbit, bunny, would love to have a go at this. I know our warehouse cat, Taylor, digs on it, so we'll probably give this to her. So happy planting, everybody.